Hello, let's place dominoes. It's time for pips. We've got today 2 by Ian and The Hard by Rodolfo. Let's start with the easy, as usual. Okay, we need a 5 pointing into something equivalent, which will be a 0, it looks like. So we need 2 zeros here. We need 3, so we need 2 and 1, making a 3, I guess. So this will go here. We don't break the 8, and there we go. That was the easy puzzle. Let's try the medium. Okay, we need a 4 pointing up. Looks like there's only one option for that. So we have an inequivalence region, so that doesn't tell us a huge amount just yet. 0, putting either a 2 or a 3 into the inequivalence region. Also not very helpful just yet. We need 2 each of things. So 2 each. It won't be zeros, because then we won't have enough to make that. Could be 5s, 6s, 2s. Oh, we need a greater than 5, though. We need a 6 for that. So, okay, so we can't put a 6 up there. So there'll be 5s, 2s, 5s and 2s, I guess. And we do have a 5, too. So we could bridge them, actually. Well, okay, we do need a 6 in the greater than 5. So we could put 1 in here, and then the other one here. This is just one way this could work, but I'm just going to go for it, which means we need a 5. No, this doesn't work, because then we'd need a 5 going in there. That doesn't work. What about the other way around? No, wait. Right, it would be this way, sorry. No, wait, this is the same thing. What I meant to do was switch the order so that 5 goes there and 2 goes up there. No, that doesn't help. Okay, never mind. This is all a disaster. Okay, so we do need to bridge them. But is it not 2s and 5s? What else could it be? Can't be 6s. Twos. Is it 6s and I'm just not seeing the way it works? Oh, wait a second. Sorry, it is. It's just that the 6, 5 can point down that way. Sorry. I think what I did originally was, in theory, on the right track, but I didn't have that. But I was thinking, but then we put a 5 in here with the 5. Yeah, that's why. So yeah, 2, 6 goes in there. Yeah, this is correct. So 0, 3, or 0, 2, and then the other of the zeros goes in here, and that's correct. Okay, sorry about that. I just overlooked that one possibility. And we're on to a Rodolfo puzzle with the hard. And it's 11 after yesterday's 10. Good. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Oh, well, 3 in an 18 means we need 3 6s up there. That's definite. And then down here, 3 in 4 is intriguing. We have 1 0. So it could be 0 and 3 1s. In fact, I think it has to be 0 and 3 1s because we only have 1 0. And this is a 4, which means the 4 needs to go in there. Is that right? Well, no, I guess it could go here or something, but let's just work this out for the time being this way, which means we'd need 4s in there, which actually does work in that configuration because we have a double 4. So we could put a 1, double 1 here. Do we have a 1, 4? We actually don't. So this is actually reasonably likely to work. Then we would need a 1, 6, which we have. Do we have a 6, 4? We do have a 6, 4, and we don't have a double 6. So that more points in favor of this configuration. We now need one more. We now need 1 more 6, but we have several of those. Okay, we also have, oh, I didn't realize how many of the, okay. Well, we need a double something up there, which might need to be double 5. So we don't have anything else. Is this going to work? We then need 5 something. We don't have 5 6s anymore, so we couldn't do that. 5 2s? Do we have a 3 2? We do have a 3 2. I think this will work, actually. We have a 6 5, so we can make us 2 6s here because we have 1 more 6 to put in there. Then a 6 2. This is working. Okay, this is great. 2 goes there, 6 goes there. That was it. That was the hard puzzle. Huh. All right. Well, that flowed really nicely once we got going. And that was it. Those were the pips. Back tomorrow. Bye for now.